Good morning, everyone. This is an interesting video because I got an amazing question with me regarding landing pages and Google Ads. But before I discuss on the question, I want you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. So let's get started on the question, and let me make myself even more smaller because the question is a long read. Okay, so you can see the question is optimize landing page for Google Ads with example. So I am running Google Ads campaign, so I would like to improve my landing page experience. I have optimized my landing page as per Google page speeds and heights. Do I need to optimize other pages in the website or as well, or the landing pages is all Google concerns about? I think it's just a landing page, but looking to hear others' opinion on it as well. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to answer a few of the questions first and the rest later on. So the first question is that you have optimized your landing page as per Google page speed insight. No, that is a part of the landing page optimization, but that is not the core thing regarding optimization. The core thing regarding optimization of the landing page includes relevancy, quality score optimization, content relevancy, how do you present your content. So these are the few things. So I think that the page speed is a very smaller aspect regarding the optimization of the landing page, and the bigger picture is much larger. I'm going to show you some examples so you guys have an idea on this as well. And now the question is, do I need to optimize other pages in the website as well, or the landing pages are all Google concerns about? Okay, so this is the question I like to discuss on. Okay, who are you targeting? Are you targeting Google or are you targeting the end customer? Who should be your prime concern? Your prime concern should be the final user. And for the final user, it is very necessary to have a same impact image where you see that, like in case if you are optimizing the landing page, why you are not optimizing the other parts of your website? Who is stopping you on optimizing that? I mean, you are not concerned, you are not bothered, or you are just looking for Google. Google is not the one who is going to give you sale. Google is part of your funnel process, but the sale is being given to you by your final end user. So optimize for it. So I do not recommend you only to optimize other main page, but rather optimize other pages as well. So my strategy here would be to optimize all pages. Come on guys, come on. I mean, you need to optimize all pages. And now the question regarding landing pages optimization. Now you may be concerned regarding how you can optimize the landing page then. Okay, so I'm going to give you some examples here so you guys have an idea on how what can be the ideal strategy regarding landing page optimization. So few of the pictures I have in my laptop. I have some saved some landing pages which I like, so let me show you those as well. So like over here, I mean landing, let me show you some over here so you guys have an idea regarding. For instance, let's open with this landing page. Okay, you can see this landing page over here. I like this landing page a lot because I want the maximum information to be shown without even scrolling. So for me, this is a very good example of a landing page by Conversion Lab. You can see over here name, phone number, email address. So CTAs over here, actions. I think that can be optimized further as well. That is not the best one, but this is definitely the good one. This is another landing page, but it is for getting more queries. Now what I like about this landing page is the timer over here. Timer bring urgency. So any landing page with the timer is going to win my heart. So I like this landing page a lot over here. Let me show you other as well. Okay, you can see this landing page. Okay, here more personalization with the face, with the picture. I believe your face has an impact on your final customer. So over on this is a very good picture, but lacks authority, lacks value. So not the best, but a good. Yeah, I find it has a CTA as well, but not the best. Again, not the best. Let me show you others as well. I did this. You can see this landing page over here. Okay, again not the best, but you can see the form over here, examples, testimonials. So yeah, fine. I'm going to show you others one as well. Okay, again this can be a good example of a landing page. Okay, like you can see this as a first page over here. It's for Garcinia Cambogia, so it's a weight loss medicine or whatever you call supplement. So you can see over here, name, address, get my package, get your free trial bottle today. It has CTAs, it has videos, it has authority by showing you as being shown over here. Brings trust, testimonials, reviews, product features. So that is how you win the heart. So yeah, it is another example of a good landing page. I can show you more as well. You can see this one. This one is for budding, but you can optimize it as per your liking. There can be others as well. I have shown you already this one. This one is good as well. For this one is of Shopify. Start your 14-day trial, create your store. Okay, I'm just showing you the examples of what a perfect landing page can be. So guys have an idea regarding this, so you can take this as an inspiration. Okay, here again it's for ebook download, so it's not for every it's not suitable on every scenarios. You need to keep in mind this as well. Okay, there is another landing page. Okay, this one is another option over here. Okay, you can see over here customers that get applause, testimonials. Yeah, it's not the best, but an average one, but better than average. Sorry, better than average. Okay, I have few more available as well here. Let's say this one is a video based landing page example. I'm not personally fond of a video page landing pages, but yeah, some customers demand it, so yeah, for them it's a good one strategy. This one is for real estate as well. Okay, I got some more landing pages data over here, which I think needs to be discussed with you guys as well. Okay, again now this is for a e-commerce one. This is a very similar content as compared to AliExpress, but more CTAs, including sign up to our email list, because with e-commerce store I believe that email list plays a huge role, because most of the customers are looking for the deals, discounts, offers, and which you can convince them through your email. So in any e-commerce store I believe that email marketing also has a huge impact, that there is no such option for this, so it lacks over here. I'm discussing the core aspects over here, because the final landing pages needs to be approved by the customer who is going to have one. I'm just showing you the data regarding landing pages, what can be done, what is done. But if you ask me, I have quoted this Salesforce landing page at various presentations and seminars, because this is one of the ideal landing pages to offer. You can see over here the first one stands for the logo, clear brand identity. Second one is for phone number. Third is engaging visual testimonials, where people can feel through other people experiences. Then you need to have a get started CT over here, so that you can urge them for the action. You also need to have a profile and quality forum, and then a powerful headline, clear CTAs over here, credibility through awards, recognition, certifications, whatever you have, more information regarding what is this, like this over here, why you are being renowned, start their journey through contact me, view me. So this is one of the ideal landing pages which I can show you. Yeah, I still like having the countdown timer, like I have shown you in earlier example, the value of the countdown timer on the landing page, because it gives the urge for the final user or visitor to take an action. Remember that Google also is concerned regarding the content over here. It also needs to be relevant with your ad copy and with your keywords, so that Google has an understanding that your content is relevant to the ad, so it can meet a certain set of expectations your ad is creating in the consumer's mind. So which is why when you are creating a landing page for Google Ads, you need to also keep in mind that the relevancy is also very important when it comes to the landing pages. So I hope that you like this concept of perfect landing page, and I try to show you some landing pages I discuss. So now you guys the person who raised the question must have an idea that speed is not the core part, but just a part of your landing page optimization for Google Ads, and you need to optimize all pages of your website. The user can visit other pages as well, and I do not want my user visitor experience to get hurted when he sees the other pages as well. So to have an optimum experience on all the pages should be your prime target whenever you are creating landing pages. And I discussed few of the points which I felt is a very good perspective. There are few things which you also need to keep in mind, that what your competitors are creating on, what your market is about. So your competitors are your best teachers. You need to figure out what they are doing and how they are acquiring customers, and landing page is one such part of their funnel process. So optimize that as well to get maximum sales. I believe that these are the few of the strategies which you can use to optimize the landing page. And I hope you like this video. In case if you have any questions, comments, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. And in case if you are looking for landing page optimization services, you are more than welcome to hire us. The details are in the description of this video. Once again, thank you for watching and subscribe to the channel. And in case if you want to hire, the details are in the description. Thank you for watching and take care, and bye bye.